Hey guys, welcome back to another amazing video. In this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how you can change your email address on Instagram. So make sure to watch this video till the end and follow all the steps properly, and let's begin. So first of all, open up your Instagram application on your mobile device and simply log in with your account. Now if you don't have any account, then just create one so that you can continue along. And after logging in, you will have your account timeline in front of you. Just click over on your profile located at the bottom right corner of your screen, and you will be brought to this page. Click on the hamburger menu and then just select your account. Here you will be able to see a lot of options related to your account that you can use to tweak according to your liking. Just select personal information and then change your email address to one you want, and you're done. So that's how you can change your email address on Instagram. So that's all for today's video, guys. Hope you liked the video. I'll be meeting you in the next one. See you soon. Bye.